Alright, so imagine you have this interesting problem with an Excel table that you're trying to solve. The challenge here is to generate a reference in cell N2 based on the data in cells A2, B2, C2, D2, and E2. These cells contain drop-down lists in a formula to automatically generate a number. You want the reference in N2 to be a combination of the first three characters of A2, B2, C2, D2, and E2, with dashes in between. It's like creating a unique identifier for each row in your table. Moving on to the solution, let's dive into the key part of the formula that will help you achieve this. By using the formula equals upper left A2, 3, and left B2, 3, and left C2, 3, and left D2, 3, and E2, we can extract the first three characters from each of the cells A2 to D2, add dashes between them, concatenate E2, and finally convert the whole thing to uppercase. This formula neatly combines all the necessary elements to create your desired reference in cell N2. Continuing with the solution, here's another approach using a surer formula. Equals upper, concat left, A3, D3, 3, and E3. This formula efficiently extracts the first three characters from cells A3 to D3, adds dashes between them, and concatenates E3. By converting the resulting string to uppercase, you get a compact yet effective way to generate the desired reference in cell N2. It's all about streamlining the process while maintaining accuracy. In summary, we've explored two formulas that can help you automatically generate a reference in cell N2 based on the data in your Excel table. Whether you prefer the longer or shorter version, both formulas effectively combine the necessary elements to create a unique identifier for each row. So go ahead, give it a try in your own Excel sheet, and simplify your data management process. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy Excel ing!